After a golden birthday celebration to remember for Asia's Songbird, Regine Velasquez Alcacid is now giving back to fans for all their support. The iconic singer is releasing her version of a
Okay guys,
well-loved
this is our
OPM
setup.
song days after raising 4
9 minutes
million
there.
pesos in her 50th
Nice.
birthday online concert.
We're here
And
waiting
joining us
guys.
now is
All this beer,
Regine
that's the taco
Velasquez
view.
Alcacid. Regine, thanks so much for joining us. Belated happy birthday and congratulations on your successful online concert. Apart from all the songs that you sang that evening, raising millions of pesos to uplift the plight of rescued underprivileged children must have made it extra special.
Thank you. Hi, Rico. Good evening. Um, yes, it was a very memorable birthday concert, and I'm so happy that we were able to raise funds for Bantay Bata. So yeah.
And seeing artists like yourself, Regine, you have Martin, you have Gary, Leia, and other artists pitching in to support various causes, including this COVID-19 health crisis, has been really overwhelming and inspiring for many of us.
Oh, yes, actually, we're just trying our best to do our share, to do our part in helping our community, and I'm so happy that everyone's trying to help, including me and my husband, and we're trying to share our talents, to make people happy, to hopefully entertain them and make them feel um, hopeful, I guess, because that's what
Mhm,
we do. We
mhm.
entertain people, so hopefully the other people are also inspired. So
And you know what? All of you are entertaining us uh, because everyone is at home and we have this digital bayanihan spirit which has uplifted the spirits of Filipinos everywhere. What do you think, Regine, will be the new normal in the music industry post COVID 19? Will only half of the arena's capacity be filled up due to social distancing? Or will there be more online concert, not for free anymore, but for a fee?
siguro for a while it will be like this. The setting will be like this first, but I'm sure we'll go back to normal naman. Siguro it'll take time lang for us to get used
Mhm.
to our new norm, our new normal. So
Mhm.
the online concerts, I think you'll be seeing a lot more of these online concerts in the coming days. Actually, it's pretty exciting for us because it's a new platform. We realize that you can actually pala entertain people without leaving your home. It's pretty exciting. But at the same time, syempre iba pa rin yung live. You see us perform live on stage, and for us performers, it's also
Mm.
different to be on stage performing live for everyone. But like I said, this is going to be our new normal for a while,
Mhm.
until we get rid of this COVID-19. But we are all praying, of course,
And
that this will just
yes,
disappear, because I really believe that it will naman, and then eventually we go back to normal,
yes,
the real
yes,
normal.
and of course, the real normal indeed, Regine. And of course, one song that really became so popular during your online concert is Astoria, and you're launching it digitally tomorrow, May 1st. Maybe you could sing a few lines for us from
Oh,
this new single, Historia.
yeah, I love this song. I sang this first in ASAP, and then I was able to sing it in one of my concerts with Sharon. And then Boss Vic saw me, and he asked me
Mhm.
if I could do my own version and record it. So anyway, uh, Nasaan na, nasaan na, sabi mo That's the parang the highlight of the song.
And yes, indeed, Regine, hindi tayo bibitaw. We will fight
No.
on until we win this
Yes.
battle against
A-
COVID-19.
And we will win this battle. Definitely. We just have to keep the faith, keep praying, you know. Yeah, we will win this,
Mhm.
definitely.
Regine Velasquez Alcacid, thank you so much for joining us on The Final Word this April 30th, Thursday.